Hey guys! Today we are going to be learning a shuffle. It's a really cool shuffle. You can use it for any dance. And today my friend Ankita will be joining me. So you can do the shuffle in any dance and anyhow you want it. Take your time, do it slowly, don't strain yourself. And let's just get into the shuffle. So when we're starting the shuffle, you want to keep yourself a little bit on the toes. Well, first we're going to make sure your shoes are tied, you don't want to trip on them. So we're going to keep our legs a little bit together, try balancing yourself as much as you can. And then so basically you're just going to start off with this position, and when you're opening your legs, it goes 1 and then 2, alright? So first you want to practice this basic in and out. This thing, yep, in and out, perfect. So now we're going to start with this, and you're going to kick your leg up and bring it down, okay? So we're going to kick your leg up, bring it down, then do the same thing with the other leg, but the other leg will be kicked up. 1, 2, then 1, 2. Alright, okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this is too hard for you, you can also try holding onto a wall and doing it, or whatever you're comfortable with. Alright? This is again. Alright, let's do this 5 more times so we can get this and become good at it. Okay? Then we're going to start going faster and faster as we move along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. This is kind of like doing one of the ballet poses, you know? You know what I mean? Yep. So we go 1, 2. Let's move those back because they come together. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Want me to go a little slower? Yeah? Okay. Ready, set, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do this 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here's a little tip. When you're going fast, you want to stay on your toes, and when you're going slow, you can stay a little bit flat on your feet. Just, a little bit tips to get you along. Okay, let's do this again. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now let's go a little bit faster, alright? Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do this 4 more times? 3 more times? Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do this 3 more times. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this is the original speed of the shuffle. So you want to kind of get that. And then eventually you can go frontwards too. It's pretty much the same. You just want to put your feet front instead of back. So we'll get to that. We're just going to go a little bit more faster this time. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again.
Music साथे करना है.
Become fast. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's start going on normal speed. You're doing good. Everyone's doing good. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do this again 2 more times, and then you can try it with the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. It's okay. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, if you got it or not, it's not going to come in one day overnight. Nothing's going to happen like that. You just keep on practicing and we can get this. Now let's try it with some music. 3, 2, guys hit a thumbs up on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to learn more interesting things like this and more. See you guys on the next video. Bye!